You gotta get up here by this pole so I can not get it in the picture. Yeah. Come on, Vince, turn and burn. They got her weighted down that time, didn't they?
Got cut off. Vince called me earlier in the year. Said he wanted to come pull with us. Didn't have a good experience out Onega at a farm pull.
Yeah.
Got a lot of other things going on. I think he got married. Called me, said he wanted to come out. Got it up, and there you go. 261 even.
That's not a bad pull, though.
Not a bad pull.
No.
Looks like he's probably hooked, and we'll see him again. Randy Talkington, Matt Field Green, 88.